Happy New Year. Wish you Happy New Year, children. This is which year? Yes, we have come to 2021. Correct, no? We unsuccessfully, without lot of tension and all stress, we spent our 2020. Howdalva makla, 2020 was not nice to us also, to you also, because most of the time you spent at home only. You missed your playing friends, you missed your school, you missed your outing schedules, you missed your vacations, you missed your jolly rides, you missed your snacks, you missed your what? Cousins meeting and all, you missed your loved ones function, correct no? 2020 bari ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ವಿ ನಾವು, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? Because of the pandemic year. Which was that pandemic? Horrible pandemic, children. It's a COVID. Correct? No, that corona disasterly make us to stay at home only, children. It's very bad year, no, to us. 2020. Yes. With this new year, we will rub all our that disasters of the 2020 from our mind. Just you remove all that from the 2020 from your mind, and you start up a new race and new style of living in the 2021. Okay? Yes? Yes. And pray to God that you all may come to school and enjoy. ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಫನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ವಿತ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ಸ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ ಎ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪಿಟ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಲಂಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ರಂಚ್ ವಿತ್ ಯೋರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, and you can also get the scoldings also, no, from the ma'am. If you are not done the homework, if you are not reading correctly, if you are anning, if you are sleeping in the class, ma'am will give you nicely. Correct alla? Yes? No, ma'am will not beat you, but we will scold you, children. That is sure. If you are not doing your work properly, we have to make you to do. Correct, no? Yes, I think you are all good children. This last year you didn't came to us, but I hope that you have learned so many things from me. I mean from teacher. Yes alla, ನೀವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಿದ್ಯೆನೂ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಟು ಅ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ಟು ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎನಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಮೈ ನೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಮೇಡಮು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಆ ಥರ ನೀವು ಓದಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರು ಕಲ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಗುಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ಸ್, ಕ್ಲೀನಿಂಗ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯೋರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್. ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಶ್ವೇತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಉಳಿಸ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಫೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, and your last year if I scolded you and if I did any any wrong message to you, I'll ask you sorry, and I thank you so much because children you all cooperated me in my virtual class. Okay, I am telling a big thank to you and your parents who supported us in our virtual classes. You also children say thanks to your mama and papa who helped a lot to you in making your online class successful. Okay? Yes, there should not be a shy to ask any sorry and thank you for it. Okay? Once you come to me, I'll give a nice gift to you, give you a gift to you. Okay children? Yes? Yes. Okay, with a loud clap, we will start our revision class. Shall we start our revision class? Before starting our revision class, you please wipe up all the 2020, the disasters, and keep your head open with the new things for the new year. Okay, year ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ನೀವು ಏನೇನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರೋ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಧನೆ ಆಗಲಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? This is the blessing from your teacher. Do good, always be good. This is the oath what you have to take. Always you should be truthful, honest to others, lovable to others, trust to others and also hope to others. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಿಜ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತೀರ ಅನ್ನೋ ಹೋಪ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇದೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ? ಎಸ್, ವಿತ್ ಎ ಬಿಗ್ laugh, shall we start our class? Yes. Today I am going to revise you the EVS. Okay? I think in the November 4th, I think we have revised the previous first term revision we have done. In that we learned our body, clothes, vegetables, fruits and what else? Yes, parts of the body and me and around me, community helpers we learned. Correct, no? From in the second term what we did in the EVS, today I am going to revise the same thing. First we learned domestic animals, me and my friends. We learned me and my friends, correct, no? In that we learned wild animals and also just I write the ending for you because the first one is okay, first one is wild animals. What we learnt in the wild animals? What are the wild animals? The animals which live in the forest in a dense jungle. It is called the wild animals. Wild animals cannot live with the human beings if it is not tamed. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಳಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, where we can find the wild animals? In the zoo, in the circus and also in the forest. Yes, in the forest the wild animals will be in a free. Okay, free ಆಗಿ ಓಡಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. But in the zoo the wild animals are kept in a cages. Okay, in the circus we can see the wild animals which has been trained. Correct alla? Which are the wild animals? Can you tell me some animals? Yes, elephant, cheetah, lion, zebra, giraffe, snake. What else? Rabbit, deer, rhinoceros, hippopotamus. Then what else? Leopard, monkey, chimpanzee. So many wild animals you can see. Yes, no? Fox, duck. So many are there. As I told you, wild animals live in the jungles. It is dangerous to keep with us. We can see them in a zoo or in a circus. The lion is called the king of the jungle. Correct, alla? Yes. The tiger is the national animal. The tiger is our national animal. The elephant is very big and it has long trunk. Correct, alla? Yes. The zebra is having a strips of white and black. The giraffe has a long neck. Like that we have learned so many description of the wild animals. Okay, next we move on to our next thing, that is our farm animal or the domestic animal. What are the domestic animal? The animals which live in or near to us. The animals which live with us or near to us is called a domestic animals. Domestic animals are useful to us, correct alla? Which are those? Like bull, ox, hen, cow, cat, donkey. Then what else? Camel, buffalo, goat, horse. So many are there, no? Yes. Why are those useful to us? The buffalo and the ox we will use to plow the field. Cow gives us milk and gives us meat and egg. Correct, alla? Goat and sheep will give the milk and also the wool for the cloths, and we will use them for the mutton to eat also. Then which is the camel? Camel, donkey we will use it as a transportation, for the transportation of goods and also the person. as per the person. Okay. Sorry. Then what else? Yes. Now next we will go to the animals and homes of the animals. We learned some homes of the animals. What are those? Horse. After the wild animals, we learned the second one is domestic. After that, we learned homes. Yes, in the homes, we learned where the animals will live. Okay, domestic and also the wild animals, where these animals will live. They also have their homes, no? Like us, we have a big house, small house, a hut. Then what else? The tent house. So many we have. Like that only the homes animals also has their homes. Some animals will make their own homes. Some we will build them. And for some animals, they will search the natural one only. Like example, the elephant will live in the jungle. Okay, the the tiger will live in the cave. The cave, we will not build any cave. The nature will be created the cave. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯಿಂದ ಏನು ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮನೆಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Next is lion. Lion also lives in den. Okay. Then snake. It will build the snake's house is built by the ant. Okay. Godda antaralla adu snake du mane ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. But the snake will come and stay in that. Okay. Like that. Then which animals? We will see some pet animals. For the pet animals, most of the pet animals, we human beings will make a house. For example, for a horse, we will make a stable. For a hen, we will make a coop. Okay. For a cow, we will make a shed. For a dog, we will make a kennel. And for a rabbit, the natural will be there. It will make its own burrow. Birds also make its own nest. Spider also make its own webs. Okay. Pig, we will make a pigsty. Like that. The honeybee also make its eve by itself, by its own children. This is the homes of the animals. Okay. Next, we will go to insects. Yes, in the insects, can anyone remember what we learned in the insects? Just I'll go through that. Yes, what are the insects? Insects are nothing but a kind of, okay, like kind of flies. And the insects, most of the insects will fly. Okay, for example, house fly, ladybug, cockroaches. Cockroaches also fly. Mosquitoes, butterfly, ant. Ant will not fly, but it will move. Some ant will fly little bit. Okay. Then spider, grasshopper. So many insects are there. These all are called insect. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಮಿ ಕೀಟಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay. That which insect gives us honey? Yes, honeybee gives us honey. Insects are of so many types. Okay. Insects are found in the house and some of them are harmful to us. Which are those? Some harmful insect, centipede. Then which insect? Mosquito is also dangerous because it will carry the virus of the dengue and malaria. Then honeybee gives us honey. Then what else we can see? An earthworm is known as the friend of the farmer. Then housefly is the most common insect seen around. Spider makes webs on walls and ceilings. Okay, this is little about your insects, children. Okay, next we will move to, and we learn that in the insects there will be a parts also, like head. The middle part is called as thorax and the down part is called a abdomen. Okay, next we will move to birds. Okay, next we will move to. Okay, children. Now we will move little bit for the birds. As you know that birds. Okay, what is the birds means? Birds is a that is also a kind of animal which will fly high in the sky. You all know no birds. Once again, I am opening little bit about that. Okay. I have some book to refer. If you also have, you can see. We can see the birds every day. Yes, no, around us, nearby us. It fly high in the sky. Correct, my children? Yes. The birds have two wings to fly. The birds have feathers. The birds have a beak to eat. The birds lays eggs. The birds make nests. The peacock is our national bird. And then the bird's name. Can you name some birds? Yes, it's a parrot, hen, pigeon, sparrow, owl, eagle, crow, virtual, duck and peacock. Okay, this is about birds. I am doing it a bit fast because I need to complete it within a time. Okay, sixth one is underwater animals. What are these? Underwater animals are the animals which live under the water. Can you tell me some underwater animals? Yes? Yes. Octopus, starfish, jellyfish. Then what else? Jellyfish, fish, frog, sea horse, shark, whale. Yes, so many are there underwater animals. Okay, the octopus has 8 arms. The seahorse look like a horse, but it will swim in the water. The frog, tortoise, crocodile and hippopotamus can live both on the land also and in the water also. The fish can swim in the water. This is about some underwater animals. Okay, I will look into that if something is there. Okay. Yes. Eel, sea lion, so many are there. The shark has sharp teeth. Blue whale is the world's largest fish. Starfish is star-shaped fish. Correct? No? These all are underwater animals. Now we are going to the next one, that is plants and trees. Yes, we all know that plants and trees, we were revising the same thing, plants and trees. What are those? Yes? Yes, plants are the green things and trees are a big trees. Okay, in the plants we have three categories, small plants, big trees and big creepers. Okay, the plants have the parts, roots, stem, leaves, bud, flowers, fruits. Okay. Sunlight, water, soil and also the air is required to growth of the plant. Plant gives an essential products like spices, cereals, leaves as a food. Then what else? Yes, fruits, flowers and vegetables also. In the flowers we learnt so many kinds in the flowers. Correct, Ala? Yes. Some useful flowers we learned which is used to make a scent and all. I think from 3 classes we have revised so many things about the plants and trees. Today I have revised so many kinds like in the EVS we revised wild animals, domestic animals, homes of animals, insects, birds, underwater animals, plants and trees. This is the revision for the EVS student. Okay. Shall I give you some homeworks? And you have so many days of holidays. You spent so many days. Now you need to revise the EVS because assessment is coming ahead. Okay. I'll give you some easy homework for you. The first homework is match the following. Okay, what is there? hen, you need to match the animals with their homes. Okay, this is the matching of animals with their homes, children. Okay, can you see? Yes, this is the manner following. You need to match the animals with the homes. Okay. Next, I have to give the fill in the blanks to you. Okay. Otherwise, I'll do one thing. I'll send the fill in the blanks and answer the following, and also one fun drawing activity to you. Just you, I'll send it by writing or taking a printout to you. You have to complete it. Okay, children. Take care. Bye.